script to organize file in a folder. This script will help clean up folders like download by scripting files into categories like image, document and videos other files. Let's get started. Firstly, import libraries. What is library? First, we all import two Python libraries, OS and shutil. What is OS? OS help us interact with the operating system like reading and managing files and folders. And shutil will help us move files from one file folder to another. Let's next step to define the source folders. Next, we define the folder path that we want to organize. Here I am using the experiment folder, but you can replace it with any folder path you want. Let's take a variable source folder, take a path, copy and paste. Next step, now we all create a categories based on file extensions. For example, files with .jpg and png extension will go into the images category, while while .pdf and .docs will go to the document folder. Let's start category. Take a category variable. This is a dictionary type. Images. This is key and this is item, list items. Take it extensions dot jpg comma dot png comma dot or and dot gif. Next, video. MP4 comma mkv comma avi. Music, mp3 music. Dot mp3 comma dot wav. Next, documents dot pdf comma dot docs comma dot txt. this is a document file extensions. Next, archive. .zip, comma dot where. That's it. We have created the category dictionary. For each category, we all create a folder in the source type dictionary. If the folder already exists, the script will skip and clean it. Then next, we use for loop for adding folders. Category in categories.key. What is category? Firstly, we want printed category. See it. Images, videos, music, document or archive. These keys are we are calling. These keys are next folder path. We take a variable folder path. os dot path dot join source folder. Take this variable, enter in here source folder, comma category. If not os.path.exist, if folder path is not exist, then os.make directory folder path. If folder path is not exist, then we are created folder path directory. Now we all iterate through all the files in the source folder. We all check the files extensions and move each files into the corresponding category folder. If a file doesn't match any category, we will move it into a other folder. Next, for file name, in categories os.list directory source folder. We are calling all directories and files here. Print file name. Check it. All files are here. See it. .jpg, 15.jpg, abhishekkumar.pdf, extract. Okay. File path. Take a variable name is file path os.path.join source folder, comma file name. If os.path dot is file, we will check file path is a like a file or not. Take a file extensions variable. See it. All extensions are here. Next, moved. Take a flag. Move files for category, comma extensions. In categories dot items. If file extensions equal extensions in extensions shutil.move. We already know that why are using shutil. Shutil is used when move the files one folder to another folder. I hope understand. File path, comma west.path.join source folder, comma category. Moved equal true. This is a red flag and this is green flag. Print format moved, file name, category. Okay, so all files are stored in the category folders. Run the code, see it. All files is stored. This file is check its extensions, check your extensions dot wp web. So we go here and use dot web, run code. All files are separated. Now let's run the script and see how it organizes the files. Here you can see that the files are successfully moved into their respective folders. In this video we created on an automation script to organize files into a folder using Python. The script saved time and keeps your folder clean and well organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.